Hello guys, in this video I'm going to explain about OVF and OVA. So first I'm going to discuss about this OVF. OVF is it stands for Open Virtualization Format. So an OVA is a pre-configured virtual machine that typically includes a pre-installed guest operating system and other software. So when we talk about this OVA, it's kind of a virtual machine template. That's mean already pre-configured. So it has resource is configured. That's mean it has built-in memory, and it has the disk storage, and it has the processing power. So those are pre-configured. That's mean already configured, so you can easily import this OVF file into VMware Workstation or any other supported virtualization application. That means EXXI or VirtualBox, you can import this OVF file. So generally OVF is a file format that support exchange of virtual appliances across products and platforms. So and when we talk about this OVF, it specifies the deployment options, settings, and resource allocation. Resource allocations in the memory, CPU, and the disk, those are pre-configured, so based on the requirement given the virtualization system. And so when we talk about this OVF image, it consists of three files. So first one is the OVF descriptor file. So that's contain all the configuration data about the package and its content. Then again OVF manifest file, so this contain the SHA-1 value of individual files in the package. Then the VMDK extension for the virtual disk image files. So VMDK extension mean the storage or virtual disk storage for this virtual machine. So let me going to explain about these things. So if I go to software here, so I have generally the firewall OS here. Let me go to the firewall OS. So generally when we talk about this firewall operation system, those are comes with OVF or OVA. So I will explain about the OVA. So if I talk about this Sophos firewall VM, so these Sophos firewall VMs are comes with OVF file. So you can see this one is the manifester file. So manifester files generally contain about the file values. That means file manifest file, this contains the SHA value of individual files in the package. Then the OVF file. So OVF files means the descriptor file that's contain all the configuration data about the package and its content. Then again the virtual disk files, that mean VMDK files. So those are contain the virtual disk file. So in Sophos firewall VM, so we have two disks available here. So this one VMDK and this two VMDK. So those are the three type of files available on this OVF file. So when we talk about this sonic call, not the sonic call, so let me go to the checkpoint VM. You can see, so under checkpoint VM, so we have the manifester file, the OVF is configuration file, then the this file, that means VMDK file. So those are the three different files which contains the OVF file. So generally we can easily import this OVF extension into our virtual machine. So when we talk about the OVA, that's mean open virtualization application, or so we can call this as a open virtualization appliance. So this OVA is file is an OVF directory saved as an archive using the tar archiving format. So this is OVA means it's archived format. That's mean already shift file, so which will contain the OVA file. So that's only single file. So when comparing with OVF, so OVA it comes with one single file. OVF it's multiple files containing. Okay, so single file which contain all the files of OVF into single file called OVA. It's a tar or shift archive of all the files into one directory. So this is the example of OVA files. If I talk about this sonic call, this comes with OVA. It's like I said before, this one single file is contain all the configuration of this virtual machine template. That's the two different thing of this OVA and OVF. OVA is kind of OVF file, and also it's shift file. Okay, and so if I talk about this the Palo Alto VM, that's also it's kind of a OVA file, Open Virtualization Appliance file, so which contain the all the configuration data about this Palo Alto virtual machine firewall. Okay, so what is the better, which one is the better? That's mean OVA for OVA. So when we talk about the this two comparison, OVA is better because so you have to transfer or send only one file, that is OVA, instead of multiple files. So that's I talk about OVA is one single file. So when we transfer your VM to any other location or any other application, so OVA is better because that is one single file. So that's it guys, so hope you clear about this OVF and OVA. On the next video, so we will import one of firewall OVF file into VMware Workstation. Thank you very much.